Welcome back to You Tried It TV. Subscribe now.
Hit the clapping, but we not plotting. When the hit ain't the cop, we said fuck it. Forget your girl, pretend that I'm her next word. Rain the shower, the spray no. Baby, can you stay up all night? 30 for 30.
But you know I'm about to keep you up. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to teach you something. I can make it sound like the band playing. Bitch, let me get cute. Well, he finna act a dog in it, so he get the foul kitty. Pussy good for your health, call it superfood. When I'm by myself, DIY. I'm 35, we can 69 it, and I've been a bad good list. I hope you ain't tired. We ain't stopping till I finish.
30 for 35.
So what's my workout routine? I don't have one. I dance sometimes. Maybe.
Soldier ain't afraid to bustle. You knew a bitch as bad as me. I ride around with them hustlers down as G's. So go ahead and try me, homeboy. You can buy me some who don't wanna trip. He'll never get away from me. Watch closely how these big dicks and shit. So take a chance on me. Come on and just try me. Got the LPG riding with the gangster wherever I go. I'm messing with start biting chicken. Just try me. Cause there ain't nothing like a pump of that shit. So come close to me. Try me. Riding with me, so try me. I ain't afraid to bustle. Your ass slipping this YouTube deep like what I gotta do, whether it's jumping your ass or just place you fast enough. Cause my pickups gon' prove that you're got the LP with me, so try me. Motherfucker, try me.
I was raised up.
Go ahead, bitch, and motherfucker, if you wanna die, just Sancha ain't for the bustle. The LPG riding with me, so try me. Never ever have you known bitch as bad as me. Ride around with them hustlers and them diamond G's. Go ahead and try me, homeboy, you can buy me. Got a lot of game and them dumb bitches ain't even know. Put it down for the streets, always try to put up a clip. And idiots. Gotta keep tight in case I'm trip. Never get away from me. Watch, go see how these bottles slip. Get in my pussy wet. Make him lick my clit. Violence, walk around. Oh shit. What the fuck? Why does my phone do that? There's no reason this should be falling like that. Do what I gotta do to jump in your ass. Try me. What the fuck? Oh. Baby, how was that? Baby. I got bands to go through you. I got bands to go through you. Oh, there is food. Okay.
Hello, good evening. Happy Cinnamon. How are you?
Yes.
My name is Raymond and this is Chris. I'm going to train her today, okay?
Okay, awesome.